So you just created your YouTube channel. That's amazing. Now you want to learn how to post your first video. Hey guys, it's Owen from the Owen Honesty, and in this short tutorial, we're going to be teaching you how to post your first YouTube video. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, we're going to be in the YouTube studio. We're going to hit create, upload videos. We're going to take our file that is fully edited, drop it into here, and we're going to call it test clip. And then our description, clip. And then you could choose your thumbnail, auto-generated. Then you're gonna choose your playlist you want it in. I'm gonna put it in shorts. And we're gonna say, no, it's not made for kids. If you say yes, it's made for kids, you will not be able to add any video elements such as cards and end screen. Always select no, because in this video, no one appears to say something they didn't say or do, or alters footage of a real event or place, or generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. Chapters, and then here's hashtags. We'll put hashtag Owen. We're going to allow audio and remixing because I don't really care. Comments are off, and then you could choose what genre. Is this people and blogs? Video elements. You can add a end screen, which basically is clickable links from your YouTube channel. If this is your first YouTube video, you will not need them at all. And then checks will, if you use copyrighted songs, you will have to add those in your description. And then visibility will be public. I'm not going to click this because I'm not actually posting this. Or you could schedule it for any date, but we are not going to do that. And then you would hit save. And that will be saving. Then you can hit close, and that is how to do your YouTube first video.